In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get bookings on Airbnb 2026, step by step. Whether you're launching your first listing or refreshing an existing one, these practical moves will help you stand out, get more clicks, and convert more stays. Start with your photos because they drive attention and trust. Shoot during the day and lean on natural light so spaces feel bright and welcoming. Frame every room clearly, declutter surfaces, and straighten linens and decor. Capture amenities and any views so guests understand the full experience. Aim for a consistent style across all images. Lead with your best photo, and remember that strong visuals boost click-through and time on page. Next, craft a title that works hard. Skip vague lines like nice apartment. Instead, combine a main feature, a location benefit, and a special amenity. For example, modern condo near airport will offer fast Wi-Fi, cozy beach house with pool and parking, or city view studio near mall and restaurants. Keep it clear, specific, and scannable on mobile. Price to win early momentum. When you're new, set your nightly rate slightly below close competitors, offer a first booking discount, and consider smart pricing if it aligns with your market. Check nearby listings regularly so you can adjust. If comparable places are around P2D 500 per night, an introductory range like P2D 100 to P2 300 can help attract those crucial first stays. Turn on Instant Book to remove friction. Many travelers prefer booking right away, and Airbnb tends to surface Instant Book listings more prominently, especially on mobile. You can still keep guest requirements in place to protect your standards. Respond fast to inquiries and requests. Quick, clear replies improve your ranking and build trust. Use saved responses for common questions, enable notifications, and aim to answer within minutes or hours whenever possible. Build reviews by delivering a smooth stay. Keep the space spotless. Provide simple, step-by-step check-in. Communicate proactively and add a small, thoughtful extra. After checkout, politely invite guests to share feedback. Add high-demand amenities guests frequently filter for, such as fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning, self-check-in, free parking, a functional kitchen, a smart TV, and a dedicated workspace. Family-friendly touches can further widen your audience. Optimize your description so it answers why this place is worth choosing, what's nearby, who it suits best, and what makes it unique. Highlight malls, beaches, tourist spots, transportation options, and your internet speed. Keep your calendar active by updating availability, adjusting pricing, refreshing photos,